Hi everyone! In this video, I'll demonstrate how to calculate conservative volume or CV directly from DICOM without relying on any treatment planning system. We'll compute the CV from RTDOSE and RTSTRUCT, generate a cumulative DVH, and visualize the dose threshold used for the CV definition. What is a CV? Conservative volume is commonly used in treatment planning to quantify how much of a structure stays below a specified dose level. Conceptually, it's defined as CV equals the source structure minus the isodose volume, or in other words, the volume of the structure receiving less than a given dose threshold. This is often evaluated inside a TPS, but today I'll show you how to compute the same metric purely from DICOM in a vendor-independent way. Here's what this script does step by step. First, it loads the RTDOSE and converts the dose grid into physical dose in gray. Next, it reads the RTSTRUCT and reconstructs the ROI as a voxel mask on the dose grid. Using this mask, it calculates the total ROI volume, the volume receiving dose above the threshold, and the conservative volume, which is the volume below the threshold. Now let's run it. Once it runs, it prints a CV report showing the total ROI volume, hot volume above the threshold, conservative volume, and optional pass-fail checks if a desired CV is specified. It also prints a DVH for the ROI and showing the line indicating the threshold dose we are using. In this example, we are using 25 gray, and we are evaluating the structure correspond to total lungs. And here we can see the ROI total volume is over 6,000 cc, and we are evaluating whether the conservative volume with respect to 25 gray is greater than 1,500 cc, and it passes. So in this example, we call the function as follows. We give the RTDOSE and RTSTRUCT DICOM file path. We give it the ROI name. We specify the threshold dose in centigrade and the desired volume in cc. So that's it for this demo. This is a practical example of how DICOM-based automation can reproduce advanced TPS metrics in a transparent, auditable, and vendor-neutral way. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more DICOM, automation, and medical physics workflows like this in future videos. You can also download this script from my store in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.